In this very short video, I'll show you how to shut down your iPhone and also how to force restart it. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. The first method I'm going to show you involves these buttons here, the volume buttons, as well as the power button here. If you click the power button on its own, you won't find or see anything. But if you click the power button as well as any of these buttons, the volume up or volume down, like this, long press, you see this screen that says slide to power off. Then you also see that button cancel. And you simply just slide and it will power off the iPhone, just like that. So it's pretty simple. And for you to restart, you just click on the power button again and it will restart your iPhone. Now there are some scenarios where these buttons are not working or one of them is not working, and it unfortunately means you cannot use them for you to shut down your iPhone. What you would need to do is you can also use the software method. You just go into settings like this, click on general, then under general you scroll down, you see shut down, that button. If you click on it, it will simply show you this screen, which is almost similar to the one where you just click the buttons, except it doesn't have the emergency buttons here, emergency SOS buttons. And then you just slide to power off. And once you do this, it will then power off your iPhone. Now, there are some scenarios where you'd want to force restart your iPhone for any reason. And this means that the iPhone restarts on its own rather than for you to press this button and restart the iPhone. What you'd need to do in that case for a forced restart, let me show you. So I'll press the volume up, volume down, power, and long press. And when I long press, it will eventually turn off like this. Now I'll just wait, and as you can see, it will restart on its own. And this is how you force restart your iPhone for any particular reason that you might want to do this. If you found this video helpful, then make sure you click the like button and also subscribe.